Welcome to Japanese Class 101, third part about the buildings. In a few moments, various buildings will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those buildings in Japanese. Repeat after me. Gasoline stando. Gasoline stando. Bus terminal. Bus terminal. 郵便局。郵便局。消防署。消防署。ボーリングバー。ボーリングバー。本屋。本屋。オフィスビル。オフィスビル。大聖堂。大聖堂。モスク。モスク。Now, it's your turn to try. These same buildings will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Japanese or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.